Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks that are on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Scarlett Fu, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Nora Melinda. Nora, what are you looking at?
Well, a bit of action happening under the hood. I'm looking at shares of Gap. If we're really thinking about the consumer and a lot of those retail earnings we've been seeing here, this company reported strong sales that beat expectations here. And of course, as we really think about this bifurcation that we've really been seeing in the market more broadly for the retailers, you're seeing a lot of the discount retailers that are marking down prices doing very well. And then a lot of the other companies struggling to find a pathway forward, a strategy here, if you think about Target and the likes. But we are seeing that Gap is one of those bucking the trend and doing quite well, up for its best day since May.
I haven't been to a Gap, and I can't even remember when.
Well, there used to be one across the street from us, but it shut down during the pandemic, and it's been empty since.
Yeah. We need to fix that problem.
What about Old Navy? Banana Republic? No.
Paul's not a fan of any of those brands.
Well, those are the brands that were doing well this quarter.
Okay.
Athleta, not so much.
Sorry?
Athleta, not so much.
Correct. Yeah. So, I mean, I haven't been to a number of those names in quite a while, but I guess some people are out there doing it.
Let's stay on the retail theme because you're also looking at Ross stores.
Yes, Ross stores. And as I was mentioning, the whole theme of discounted prices here, that's what a lot of consumers are looking for in this environment. So we have shares up as much as 6.6% for a record high. Shares of Ross, this is ticker ROST, on a tear here. And this is really after its third quarter results exceeded expectations, just once again driven by the idea that people are looking for prices that work within their budget right now. And of course, if we think about Ross, they tend to be on the cheaper end here. So you are seeing some strength here.
All right. Let's beat a dead horse. NVIDIA. Let's hit it.
Well, NVIDIA has definitely been in focus a lot of this week. I mean, of course, if we're looking at shares right now, that's really been in focus here. But I'm also looking at Eli Lilly, which is, of course, ticker LLY. If we wanted to look at what's going on in the healthcare space, we did see Eli Lilly topping that $1 trillion mark here when we think about market cap. This is huge, especially because we haven't seen too many names do this, especially as you think about outside of tech. But it'll be really important to look at that closing level here for Eli Lilly and seeing where it actually lands at the end of the day.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.